Okay, good morning. My name is Darren. I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to host a website using Apache from your home PC. You would need to create an account with DYN. Also download Apache HTTP server. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is create the account. Once you search DYN in your browser, you would get into it. Okay, I already have an account created, so I would just sign in. When you sign in, you would need to go add host services. From here you can create your host name. For this tutorial I will go with student, let's see, 2016. I'll use selfip.com. And service, you're leaving the service type as host with IP address. Here you need to apply your IP address of your location, but simply clicking on this right here will automatically apply it above in a space, and you just activate. Okay, here you would see the host name I just created and the list of previous host names. Right now you would want to download the Apache. And the version you'd want to download is the HTTP server 2.2.19. And you're downloading like the version here 2.2.19 Open SSL for Windows. Alright, you just click on download. But I already have it downloaded, so I would just want to go to my download files and install that. Let's give it a few seconds while the installer loads. I'll just install this, accept, next. You would want to install your, well, enter the name you created in the DYN. I created student yeah student 2016 dot selfip.com. And you could enter your email address right here. Okay, now we are ready to install. Leave it on typical. Click next. Okay, during the installation, you would see a couple of door screen come up. It's normal, so don't have no fear. And then you click finish. When that is done, you would see it here running all Apache services. Okay, now that you have done that, to get access to your the application, which is to see a web page, you go to your program files, Apache Software Foundation, htdocs, and here you will see it works. So within this folder you can always put your web pages which you want to be loaded, or you can type in your IP address, and here we'll see it works. If you're not sure what your IP address is, you can find it at, like, let's go search, type in command prompt, and type in ipconfig, press enter, and where you see IPv4 address, you would enter that in your browser. Here. Now that it works through the IP, while I was on pause, I was using the student the hostname I entered in the DYN, and I was getting an error message. When I got that error message, what I did to clarify that, you need to go and change some settings on your Windows firewall. So you go to your Windows firewall, you allow an app or feature, which you are changing the settings. You click allow another app, you browse for that app, you go to this PC and the exact folder where you have the Apache installed, and you're allowing HTTPD, and you just select that and click add, and it should work. I already added it, so I'll just cancel this, close this. So now it works from my host name and 192.168.0.18, which is the IP address, IPv4 address. So that's how you set up your website using a home PC with Apache. Thank you.